exploration and expedition of the Ushu Valley. Ushu Valley is an unexplored valley in a Swat, in a Kalam area. Beautiful flowing river of Ushu Valley. Number of the medicinal plants, number of the shrubs, number of the trees and beautiful mountains. The trees of Citrus deodara. The citrus plant is one of the important natural conserved species in this area. According to me, there is a ban on the cutting of this tree. Near Kalam. So you have to enjoy the traditional waterfalls and some of the soft drinks, and this is the Ushu Bazaar. These are the honey samples that are collected from the wild honey from Ushu Valley.
ये वाला है ना, ये हमारे यहाँ की जड़ी बूटी है। मैदे में गैस हो, जलन हो, खारिश हो, उसके लिए शाम को पानी में डालना है, सुबह नाश्ते से पहले इसको ये दरख्त होता है उसका ये
Here you see it is locally known as Zirgul, and in botanically it is called as Ticomila undulata. According to the local man, he said that the flowers of this plant are used for digestive disorder, vomiting and number of the abdominal pains. What is your name? Noor Muhammad. And these are the honey samples. Valley, that is the honey that visited the flowers of Ticomila undulata and number of the other flowers, number of the other plants from this region. Here you see Noor Muhammad is showing us the original honey that are collected from the Ushu Valley. He said that the Salajit is also originally found in this area. This is a sample of honey that is collected and visited of the honey sample from the flowers of the Citrus deodara, which is the national tree, and it is the thickest forest in the Ushu Valley. And according to Noor Muhammad, this honey is prepared by the small honeybee visited the flowers of Citrus deodara. Now I am going to check the originality of this honey. Yes, it is a genuine and original honey that is from the flowers of Citrus deodara. Here you see it is a local market of Ushu Valley where the Hakim Amjad collected a number of the medicinal plants from this valley, and they are used for a number of diseases. This is called as Zirgul. Zirgul from Ticomila undulata, and it is one of the important flowers that are used for the digestive disorder. While here you see, these are the
Malkundi.
Malkundi. I think it is a species of Malkundi from sugar control, diabetes treatment, and it is the fruit that are used for the diabetes. And it is also one of the important plants that is used for the blood purifier. It is, I think, from family Zygophilacea or Tribulus terrestris. While this is Morae, this is another important plant that is used in the form of powder. It is important plant that is used for the internal wound healing and number of the wounds. It is also one of the important plants that is used for the bone fracture. While this is the mixture of number of the other herbal drugs that are used for the number of disorders. The honey samples, they are collected from the Ushu Valley, and they are the honey from the flowers of citrus and number of the other flowers that are listed by the honey. It is the genuine Slaji that is this Slaji is commonly recommended according to the herbalist Amjad that is used for the rheumatism, joint pain and backache.
Power ke liye.
It is one of the important ingredient or a product that is used as a tonic for the general weakness of the body. Some people say that its origin is the mineral, but some people say that its origin is the plant, Styrix. So, according to that science, its origin क्या है?
ये पहाड़ का लावा भी बोलते हैं, पसीना कुदरती है। पहाड़ जब वो निकलते हैं ना, वो जो लावा बाहर आता है ना, ये वही चीज़ है सलाजी। किताब में लावा से जिक्र है इसका।
अच्छा। According to the herbalist Amjad Hakim, he said that the origin of the slajit is basically the exudes during just like the volcanic eruptions of the mountains, and it is the exude that comes from the mountains that is used for rheumatism.
जब ये पेट के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं चर्बी के लिए, तो इसके साथ एक सिरका जो मिलता है पंसारियों से, एप्पल का सिरका, इसके साथ उसका इस्तेमाल है तो इसका रिजल्ट तकरीबन 80% होता है।
Yes. Here you see it is ethnopharmacology. You see that the actual knowledge, the genuine knowledge is actually the properties that belong to the local communities. So the local communities, they have a knowledge about the medicinal plant. They get this knowledge from generation to generation. This is called as ethnopharmacology. That is the use of the local indigenous medicinal plants, and they treat a number of disorders. This is called as ethnopharmacology.